What if just for 5 seconds Earth stopped spinning? The truth will shock you more than you can imagine. Before we dive in, hit subscribe and like, because what you're about to learn could change how you see our planet forever. Our home is in constant motion. Every second, Earth makes a complete rotation on its axis, creating the cycle of day and night. This rotation is so ingrained in our existence that we hardly notice it. But did you know that even a brief interruption in this cycle could have profound consequences? So what happens if Earth stops spinning? In a world where the ground beneath our feet is no longer in motion, we would be met with a myriad of immediate effects. The most noticeable would be the oceans. Without the centrifugal force created by Earth's rotation, the water would no longer be spread evenly across the planet. Instead, it would surge towards the poles, which are closer to the center of the Earth and have stronger gravity. As a result, gigantic tidal waves would crash into the coasts, causing massive flooding and reshaping coastlines in an instant. But the chaos wouldn't end there. The atmosphere, too, would be affected by this sudden stillness. The air, along with everything else, would continue to move forward at the Earth's rotational speed, now relative to the ground, resulting in winds that would shake the very foundations of cities. These winds would be stronger than any hurricane ever recorded, wreaking havoc on buildings, infrastructure, and natural landscapes alike. In just 1 second, billions of tons of water would rise. Cities would crumble and survival would be almost impossible. As we grapple with these drastic changes, we must also consider the far-reaching consequences that would unfold in the moments that followed. Satellites orbiting our planet would no longer find Earth a hospitable home. Without the rotational force that keeps them in orbit, they would simply fall to the ground, crashing down into the now turbulent seas or directly into cities. The global power grid, intricately designed to function with the Earth's rotation in mind, would collapse, plunging the entire planet into darkness. Earthquakes would erupt as the Earth's crust, accustomed to the rotational force, readjusts to the sudden stillness. Even the very air you breathe would shift, hurling everything sideways at 1,000 miles per hour. Cars would skid off roads, airplanes would plummet from the sky, and the landscape would be forever altered. It's a sobering thought experiment that highlights the delicate balance that sustains life as we know it. As the initial shock subsides, the full weight of what has transpired begins to dawn upon us. Days and nights would no longer have their familiar 12-hour durations. Instead, each would last roughly 6 months. The side of the Earth facing the sun would experience a scorching 6-month-long summer, while the opposite side plunged into an equally long winter of darkness. Earth's magnetic field, which is partly generated by the planet's rotation, would begin to collapse, leaving us vulnerable to harmful cosmic radiation. Our planet's climate, finely tuned over millennia to the rhythm of Earth's rotation, would descend into chaos. Weather patterns would be disrupted, temperatures would soar, and the delicate balance of our climate system would teeter on the brink of collapse. Humanity might not vanish instantly, but the planet would never be the same again. We would be left to navigate a world of extremes, battling not just the elements but the remnants of a world that was. Frozen cities, endless daylight on one side of Earth, eternal night on the other. A chilling sight that speaks to the profound impact such a shift could have on our planet. Luckily, Earth won't stop spinning anytime soon, but just imagine if it did. If you found this shocking, smash that like button, subscribe to Shockify Facts, and never miss a universe mystery again.